Hi, and welcome to IDSC 4310, Prescriptive Analytics. My name is Vedran Lelas, and I'm the instructor for this class. This is the first in a series of video-based lessons that will introduce the class by going over its main elements, from course objectives and expectations to grade breakdown and academic integrity. Problems are an unavoidable part of modern life, from finding the best route to your new doctor's office all the way to multi-billion mergers and acquisitions. This course is mostly based on a belief that using modeling in the context of problem solving can improve decision making, business intuition, and critical thinking and analytical skills of all the participants. The course emphasizes the familiar spreadsheet modeling framework that helps us formulate a problem, design an appropriate model by thinking through it, and come up with recommendations based on logic and reason to supplement, rather than replace, managerial judgment. The course is geared towards modeling that goes beyond descriptive and predictive analytics covered in IDSC 4444, as well as IDSC 4110 Data Engineering and IDSC 4210 Data Visualization classes. It does this by prescribing recommendation and solutions for use in decision making. The major objective of this class is to enhance your spreadsheet modeling skills and get you acquainted with few advanced quantitative modeling concepts, namely simulation and optimization modeling. In the process of doing so, you will develop high level of competence with using Excel for quantitative problem solving and analysis, as well as interpreting and presenting the recommendations to management in plain English. In addition to little over 3 hours of work, or class time per week rather, you're expected to spend another 10 hours getting ready for the class and working on assigned problems. You can also expect to get a lot of one-on-one help, both in class and during office hours. This is an extremely hands-on class with heavy computer use, emphasizing learning how to create spreadsheet models in general and simulation and optimization models in particular by doing it. Most of, but by no means all of the examples will come from the textbook, which is required with selected chapters available as a course pack through Moodle. We will spend significant portion of the class time working through the problems from the book, sitting at a computer and building a variety of spreadsheet models. Although the class is not graded on the curve, I will make occasional borderline grade adjustments in your favor. Please remember that the grade of C is defined as meeting all course expectations. To get an A, you have to be able to demonstrate exceptional skill by solving more difficult modeling problems on both assignments and exams. After watching a number of video lessons, you will need to complete a relatively quick multiple choice assessment quiz before coming to next class. Then there will be several problem solving and spreadsheet modeling assignments, including some mini cases, worth more than assessment quizzes but less than the midterm and final exams. Portion of the class time will be spent working on and getting help with homework assignments, as well as reviewing and preparing for the exams. Assessments are designed to quiz you on what you learned by working through the assigned material and video presentations. There will be 5 of these, worth 15% of the grade, or 3% each. Although they are not worth much individually, they add up to a significant portion of the grade, and it is important to complete those before coming to class. Each question on each quiz is a single attempt with immediate feedback, and collaboration is expected. Homework assignments, completed mostly outside of the class, are at the heart of the learning process. They consist of a number of chapter problems and some mini cases, from easier to more difficult ones, and are the key to development of our main course objective, which is applying spreadsheet modeling to solving realistic business problems. As such, they are worth 25% of the grade, or about 6% each, which is significantly more than assessments, but less than the midterm and final exams. The primary objective of the exams is to measure the understanding of modeling concepts in skilled learning class, and students are expected to work through the exams completely on their own. Unlike assessments and homework assignments, where discussion and collaboration is encouraged, Exams are exclusively a product of your own work. The two exams are worth 60% of your grade, or 30% each, with midterm scheduled during one of our regular classes and the final during the last class. Getting help. Start by emailing me directly and also utilize the discussion board frequented by other students with similar problems. Make sure to copy paste your Excel formulas or functions. And if the problem is not resolved on the discussion board or by collaborating with your classmates, please come and see me in my office. For any tech, especially hardware related issues, please contact tech support. This is an intermediate spreadsheet modeling class with some advanced simulation and optimization models and concepts. If you come to class prepared and ready to work, you will do well. The key to earning a good grade is coming to class, completing assessments and assignments on time, and getting ready for exams by practicing extensively. If you need help, you have to ask. Ask me, ask your fellow students for help. Finally, do your work with integrity and honesty. It will benefit you immensely in your future career.